Square offers a versatile payment system designed to cater to various business needs, whether you operate online, in person, or both. Here's how to use Square's payment system effectively. Create a Square account. Sign up for a Square account on their website or through the Square Point of Sale app. Provide necessary business details and banking information to start accepting payments. Choose hardware. Select the Square hardware that best suits your business needs. Options include Square readers for magStripe, chip cards, and contactless payments, as well as Square Terminal for all-in-one POS solutions. Set up Square POS. Download the Square POS app on your iOS or Android device. Connect your chosen Square hardware, such as a Square reader or Square Terminal, to your device via Bluetooth or the headphone jack. Accept payments. For in-person transactions, simply input the amount or select items from your product catalog in the Square POS app. Customers can pay using their credit or debit cards, mobile wallets, or by manually entering card details. Manage transactions. Monitor sales in real time through the Square dashboard. Generate reports, track inventory, and view analytics to gain insights into your business performance. Online payments. If selling online, integrate Square with your website using Square Online or other e-commerce platforms. Customers can check out securely using Square's payment gateway. Security and support. Square prioritizes security with PCI compliance and offers 24/7 customer support for any issues or questions you may have.